The next one is pretty simple. It says that given a string, check if whether it is a palindrome or not. So a palindrome is a word that can be read the same way forward as it is when you read it backwards. So if we read this word for going forward, it's going to be madam, and then if we read it backwards, it's going to be madam, like that. So it should return true because it can be read the same way backwards. So there's another one, ABA. If it's ABA, it can also be read the same way, ABA forward and then ABA backwards. There's another one called civic. So it's if you read it going forward, it's going to be civic, and then if you read it backwards, it's going to be civic. So it should return true for all those palindrome mentioned above. Go to your IDE, right click the package, and then say new. I'll call it palindrome checker. So what we'll do is we will have our own method, public static boolean, because it has to tell us if it is a palindrome or not. In other words, true or false is palindrome. Then we'll have string s as a parameter. What we need to do is we'll have to construct our own output, and then to say it's equals to an empty string there, and then go through the given string which is int I equals to, we're trying to read it backwards, so we'll start from I minus 1, and then whereby I is greater than or equals to 0, hence we have the length minus 1 because we are inclusive of 0 here, and then we have I minus y because we are reading it backwards. So as we read the characters, each character, we'll just concatenate here and have character at I like that, meaning that this is the newly constructed string. Then what we have to do is just to return s dot equals to the output. So if it's equals to the output, it means it's a palindrome. Let's quickly test it, and then we'll call is palindrome in here, or pass it madam. Let's just run the program quickly. So it should return it true because madam is a palindrome. What if I say madams? It should return a false because madams, it's not a palindrome, so we do indeed get a false. Now one can say they don't like doing string concatenation manually, so they can use what you call a string builder. We just call it output once again is equals to new string builder, and then here, instead of doing this manually, you just come and say append, and then we append each character there. This should come to the same results. It should come to the same results. Just run the problem. Yeah, it's madams. Let's change and say ABA. It should also give us a true. ABA. Why is it giving us a false? Let me just run it again. Oh, sorry. So we have to come here and say, right, output dot toString, and then equals to s, right? And then this should give us the right results, so that should be true. And then we can even have civic, that should also give us a true. If I say civics, then it should say false, right? Or one can come and use the built-in method. The stream builder has a built-in method called the reverse, so we can construct the output in this way. And if I do this, I should get to the same results, but you could get a false. Oh, sorry, I think it's because I'm not using the right things here. Let's just come over and say, let's reverse, and then after reversing toString that, then that should do the trick. It should give us a false, and then if I do that, it should give us a true. So you can do it in one line like this, or do it manually depending on the interviewer. They will ask you to do either way, so you have to be familiar with both methods. You can even save some memory here and just come and say new stream builder and pass as here, and then save some memory and have it in one line like that. Then we should arrive to the same conclusion, which is a true. If I say civics, I should get a false. Right.